Right, guys, this is Kareem the Traveler again. I've got my brother over here, and I'm going to ask him some few questions. What's your name, brother?
Kevin Gisha.
All right. You're from Uganda?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, first question is, where do you think I'm from?
I think you are from India.
You serious?
Yeah, everybody thinks I'm from India. Okay, but I'm not from India. So first question is wrong. I'll give you another chance. One more chance. Where do you think I'm from?
Ethiopia.
Huh?
Ethiopia.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
Okay, I'll tell you. I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. Okay, so now let me ask you this. Do you know anything about Pakistan?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Pakistan, this is the world, the country where there are too many wars.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Well, that's again wrong. There is no war in Pakistan. That's Afghanistan, by the way.
Okay.
Now, you know, football is made in Pakistan.
Yeah.
Do you know that?
I didn't know that, but
Right. So that football that you play and that used in World Cup, it's all made in Pakistan.
Oh my God! Wow!
So now you know that Pakistan is famous for what? Football.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. And do you know also that there are Africans in Pakistan?
I don't think so.
But let me tell you, there are so many Africans studying in Pakistan. There are Africans from Uganda, from Burundi, from Kenya. There are so many Africans you will find in Pakistan. And there are also so many Africans who are staying in Pakistan and also married to Pakistanis.
Are you telling me the truth?
So I think this will be a new thing for you, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're
And what do you do?
I play football.
Oh, you also play football?
Yeah.
Okay, so next time you're getting a football from us.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Nice meeting you, man. One love.
My account TikTok is Kevin Gitchen 1. You'll find me there. I
Okay.
post my videos.
All right.
Thanks, bro.
All right, guys. Do check him out. Peace. All right.